Are you an engineer? Are you suffering in back pain? In this video, I'm going to address why it's essential that you address this back pain now, before it affects your quality of life, becomes serious forever. My name is Mary Thomas and I'm a physical therapist. I've practiced for over 30 years and every day I work with engineers. The most common complaint is low back pain. The human body is a lot like a machine in many ways. Every part is critical. And in order to have a successfully running system, all of these parts need to integrate. Take a bridge, for example. If you have one supporting structure that's weak or out of balance and you apply enough pressure, the entire system can collapse. Well, the human body isn't much different. In order to move and function with ease, we need our spines, our hips, our knees, our shoulders, all to integrate and be working together. When they're not, movement becomes painful, even cumbersome, and it affects our ability to perform your job, can affect your quality of life, even your relationships. If you don't get this pain addressed right now, you're playing a dangerous game that could end up costing you way more than you can imagine. You see, the body is incredibly skilled at adapting. It adapts all day long to different body positions when we sit, stand, crawl, climb, mow the yard, all those things that we need and like to do. But it also can adapt to injury. So I get an injury and it pulls my body and I start to think that this is normal posture, normal movement pattern, or I call it a fact of aging. The truth is, when you address this, you can become pain-free again. In the next video, I will teach you the most important and the most overlooked components to resolving your pain permanently. So click on the link below and watch video number 2.